Well, hello, good morning. I'm making here a compilation with rail pictures, rail graffiti pictures, and model HL scale rail too. So this should be interesting. Okay, I see an HL scale train trying to pull more than a double stack of, just HL scale, but still just an example. Not to overload your containers onto the inner modules. Just you can only handle so much with the weight for HL scale. That's way too much. Just double stacks from a nut, like six. Oh my God, 6 cartridge modules stacked on top. Oh my God. This is AI, or this is real simulation of a locomotive being really deconstructed for demolishing. Yeah, we're out of commission. It is what it is. This is now the new Broadway SkyTrain line construction. It's supposed to be. Yeah, it's just taken from the east part of Vancouver. Did you enjoy in July the 1st? Did you enjoy Canada Day holiday?
Oh, yeah.
Me too. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I got your McDonald's stuff I could see. 611 Norfolk and Western locomotive.